How to log out X or Twitter from all devices. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your X or Twitter app. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top left, and then click on the settings and support drop down at the bottom, and after that click on settings and privacy. You will get to this page right here, from which you want to click on security and account access, and after that on this page click on apps and sessions. Keep in mind that since I'm using a screen recorder, this part may not be visible to you. However, I'll guide you through it as it's pretty easy and simple. Once you get to this page right here, click on sessions, and after that you will get to a page that shows you the current active session and the other sessions that are active on other devices. And from that page you will see a red text that says log out of all other sessions. If you click on it, you will get a confirmation window that asks you, are you sure you want to do that, and what will happen if you do that. Just click on logout to confirm, and by doing that you will be logging out of all the other devices except the device that you are using currently. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can sign out X or Twitter from all the other devices. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.